David, what are we doing here, David?
We're doing the first print of Vader with a real job.
Cool.
Redesigned bar clamp.
And it's a redesigned bar clamp. It's one of these, which is actually too weak. So it's been redesigned with OpenSCAD and on this machine and then fed across to that machine to slice, because we haven't got slice working on here right now. And then sucked back here into Pronterface, and it is just starting to print now. As soon as the temperature.
And this is the printer that I melted in the car, and then it got rebuilt with some parts from one of the guys from Brisbane Hackerspace and a variety of other bits and pieces.
Yep.
That I think Mark printed. So
changed
the name from Vader to Phoenix.
It's kind of like Vader though, Darth Vader. He had the, you know, in the third movie, and he's like in the volcanic ash, and he's all melted, and the Emperor comes down and like rescues him in his shuttle, just like that.
So we're going to print new ones of this,
Yeah.
and then this is broken around this side as well, so that'll be the next thing to print around there if you
Right.
get it down in
The
there.
last of the original.
It'll last for a while. That's an old PLA and it's breaking away
Yeah.
because it wasn't built properly.
It's alright, get a cable tie around it, it'll be alright.
Yeah, it'll be fine for now. And then we'll
Cable ties fix
redesign that a
anything.
bit stronger as well, print it better, and
So we're just
We should be
heating up
good.
at the moment, so
yeah.
we're at 120. It's a slow heat.
And here's the we've got the job. Well, that was slicing. That's over on the other.
We've now switched pretty much to using the print pot ends rather than the arc holes. They just seem to be not giving us any grief. So these are what we're using on all the printers now. $50, I think they were, weren't they? $59. And we've still got the Sanguilolo whatever boards. Sanguilino boards.
Sanguilolo, isn't it?
But we may switch that out at some point too. And a nice Perspex cover.
And here in OpenSCAD is what we're actually printing. That thing. That's what's coming out right now. That's my redesign of the bar clamp with a lot narrower gap there so that it doesn't fracture, but all the dimensions, the key dimensions are unchanged, but we've made it fatter and wider. But also here there's a couple of variables that you can change, like for instance height. If you can see there, if I just change that from 18 to say 28 and press the button, you'll see there it is now 28 millimeters high instead if you wanted to make it a bit bigger. So we can quickly alter this design around just by changing 4 key variables. Say the jaw tightness, I'll change that. Instead of 7, we'll say that we only want that to be about 4. Press the button and you'll see the jaw will now have more gap in there, in the jaw.
And we're printing. I think something's happening. What's the temperature?
Okay, where are we? Back to Pronterface.
Almost there.
What are we running at? 190 at the moment. 190 degrees.
Yeah, 195.
195.
We're up at 185.
So,
Are these hot ends a bit slower to heat up than the other one we had? Or
no,
it just seems, I just don't seem to
Cooler
remember
night
it.
tonight, so
Oh, maybe that's
went
it,
from-
yeah.
It went from 20, normally it's been 30,
Yeah.
or roughly that. Also, normally we have it already hot, so
Yeah.
we're only going sort of like
Yeah, it is.
70 up.
I had forgotten about the weather. It is actually colder weather as well.
And then once we've done that, Neil wants me to build a very simple little collar to connect this pipe into, where's that doohickey that was meant to be right here?
It was taken back.
Oh, so it's just going to be a very simple cylinder. So that will fit into something somewhat bigger with internal diameter. Simple collar should take like 5 minutes and we'll print that out. Just a little utility.
Aiming it to...
Here we go.
See how it's got a big glob on the end of it now?
Yeah.
It's
Oh,
wiping
did
its
you set
nose.
that up?
It's wiped its nose.
Yeah.
Yes, beautiful. Oh, look at that.
You like that?
Yeah, that's excellent.
is
Actually,
that-
that's too high on the bed though.
Is it?
Yep. We'll have to can that and
Is
start
that in
again.
the slicer config? The nose wipe?
Yeah,
Yep.
it is now.
Cool.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. It's a bit high at the
Yeah, it's
moment,
too
so you
high.
see it's not adhering to the
We
base
haven't
there.
quite got the start Z right.
Just got to recalibrate a little bit.
Very minor.
So we might just
'cause
stop
we
that
feel that.
now.